MarketLine case studies provide detailed analysis of company strategies and initiatives and major market trends and developments. They shine a light on the best and worst case business practices. They are available either via the navigation bar, via search, or by clicking on the Browse by Content button on the home page. With more than 500 case studies to choose from, covering a multitude of sectors and companies, users can find fitting real-world examples of emerging market trends and critical business issues. In particular, students can use case studies for real-world examples of the actions of market leaders and their competitors. Case studies are written in report format, with all of the chapters listed on the left-hand side of the page. To download the full case study, you can simply click on the Export Full Report button on the left-hand side of the page. If you prefer to select only sections of the case study, click on the chapter you would like to use, and once on that page you will see that you have a Clip Section option where you can export the selected content to PDF or Word. Case studies provide users with real-life examples of innovative business and industry analysis, uncovering emerging market trends and successful niche industries. They also provide insight into the rise of companies, brands and industries, and identify the future challenges that they might face. MarketLine's analysis reveals the upcoming trends that are set to shape specific sectors, helping users to gain an insight into successful corporate strategies and learn the lessons from previous corporate mistakes. If you would like more information about these reports, please speak with your librarian or get in touch with us directly at reachus@marketline.com.